Nung grade 9 ako, when I was grade 9, one of my friends, like, kwento lang to sa akin ng friend ko currently, nung nakita nila ako sa classroom as a new student. Ade, sabi ng girl na yun daw, "Oh my God, the new student's so pretty. Let's not talk to her." Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba ako or ano. Tapos, parang may nangyari sa group of friends namin. They were like using code names, and then I'd ask like, "Huh, who's this? Who's that?" Tapos sabi niya, "Oh no, it's just an inside joke." As in, like right in front of me, they're talking about that. And then I find out na they're talking about me. It's a code name. And in my head, like, uso pala yung code names ngayon. Yung parang ganun. Tapos, so, kinausap ko sila. So, kinausap ko yung friend ko. Sabi ko, yung friend group na yun.